You better get that thing ready. Good. You have to wait until they start saying shots.
It's gonna take a while. Yeah, hey, film yourself that. Wait. I'm gonna film you dancing.
You're supposed to chug it.
I did, man.
Now it's your turn. That's right, go for it.
I don't need a chaser.
Oh, I don't need a chaser because I'm Arwen and I'm badass, right? There we go.
Fuck yeah, ladies love us.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, and this is socks.
Sucks.
Socks.
Why are we videotaping this?
That was Alicia hitting her head.
On that. Earl, hello.
Hello.
Wish we had Jaeger bombs.
Did you say gator bombs?
Jaeger bombs.
Oh, you said gator bombs.
No, what is it? Go fuck your shit, man. Fuck shit.
Edward Scissorhands.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. That's Alicia trying to dance. Music I don't even really listen to.
Yeah, for real. Alright, okay. Alright.